You're looking at NexSense. It's the new device being launched by Camden Boss today at Future Build. It's a retrofit, smart monitor and meter. You can see it here, the size of the device. To give you context, the size of my hand. So we've got monitoring up to 100 amp and we've got switching up to 32 amp. From the back of that, it's LoRaWAN enabled. It's also Bluetooth, enabling you to configure it with other smart devices around it. It's got the capability of producing dashboards that give you carbon usage forecasted forward. It's got your costs based on your tariffs forecasted forward, and it's also got your complete total energy usage, including apparent and real power. DIN rail mounted with a stubby or a larger antenna options are available. It's ideal for monitoring up to 100 amps on a single circuit or 32 amp switching. What you'll see as well is there's an indicator light on it. So when this is powered, you'll have that there. It has a micro QR code on it for the operator or the installer to get the download instructions for installation and the certification for the device. But it's also got information related to the CE, the UKCA, and the MET approvals on the device as well. Done it in different configurations, so it can be hardwired into your asset and your device. You can have it also as a device that goes in temporarily. 240 volt with a CT clamp, which at its heart has got the 2 mod version inside of it with a DIN rail stopper on the end. So you don't need to have it permanently installed. Put it in, monitor for a period of time, take it out, go back, rinse and repeat. Finally, for the permanent installs, we've got the permanent install unit, which goes alongside and stays there in a waterproof IP67 enclosure to make sure you've got the device protected at all times. It's still the core device all the way through the process. And then finally, moving forward, if you've got a bespoke solution, such as a caravan hookup, or you've got site temporary electrics, and you want to look at this, the same device, again, can go into an enclosure of your choice or one that we can fabricate ourselves. This is the NexSense 2M, and you've got the bespoke version, you've got the Trak version, go. And the device itself in your home, if you're unsure or you're not confident in what you're using electricity-wise, one of the things we can do for you, you can have it fitted into your board. This will give you surety and clarity about what's happening on your main ring board, or you can have it by individual ring main itself. Remember, this device is so small, it fits beautifully inside a home standard consumer unit or in an industrial unit.